Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R Line 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower in a sleek grey exterior colour. This stunning estate vehicle is packed with features to enhance your driving experience. From the comfort of air conditioning and Bluetooth phone connectivity to the safety of ABS and parking assistance, this car has it all. With a luxurious interior, including cup holders and a load cover parcel shelf, as well as advanced security features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning, this car is designed with your safety in mind. Plus, the self-driving capabilities make every journey a breeze. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website, michaelmoore.ie, for more information on making this top-of-the-line Volkswagen yours today.